Alright, so got something to show you guys. We'll go basic ammo, level 4 warrior helmet. Just showing you consistency here. So if you can hit your shots, I mean, it's going through. Now this is the 308, but it is the basic ammo. So we'll go basic ammo. I don't think level 4 should be doing that with 5.56 basic ammo, because God forbid using 318s, or a lot of people use 995s, which 995 is just gonna melt through these things. Actually took one in the face. No. Probably just missed. So that's regular M4. Like I said, with the 255s, which is basic ammo. Now, the only ones that make a difference are the level 5s and up. So we'll go level 5. Basic ammo. But obviously if you get hit in the face, you're still dead. So it doesn't let you put on the visors, which I think it should, so we can see the difference with the visors. But the side helmet, and I guess can't go in the back, but I would imagine the back, because even if you hit the very top of it, it does the same thing. But it protects you there. Yeah, we'll eventually get through, but this is also just basic ammo. Move up to the FMJs. It's going right through with the FMJ on level 5. That one took a couple more, but I missed. Interesting. Does it matter the angle? No. Interesting. I mean, maybe survive one shot. Oh, now it's just one shot every time. Interesting. So maybe the angle and deflection might work. missing or not. So I mean, level 5 and up, otherwise the rest of these helmets are absolutely useless. Obviously this one works really well. I would imagine the visor works really well on this one since this is level 6. This is empty. We'll try with 318s. Might drop the mag too. It does protect you there, but I would imagine the 318s are just not penetrating enough. You go 995s, which a lot of people run 995s. You might survive one shot. Unless it's that corner. That corner seems to have a little bit more armor somehow, some way. Maybe it's a deflection thing? Not sure. Let's see what the 0 is here. It's a little bit low. Okay. Yeah, still only 2 shots for the 995s. And that's the best helmet. If you're wearing a Warrior with the 995s, you're getting stoned every time. So, a little bit of info for you guys. Actually, let me show you the armor. The armor works pretty well. So, even with the 995s. Armor works really good. This is level 4 armor. So, still quite a bit to take somebody down. And then I think even 308. Basic ammo. So there's definitely a range thing that happens, which is good. Let's see if I can do sight on this thing as far as I can go back. So yeah, I mean, it's like, So armor works well, because the level, I think this is either 5 or 6, I think it might be 6, works even better. I mean, this is still basic ammo. That's all 20 rounds. So we'll try M80s mid-range. My point out of this, helmets, garbage. 4 will protect you against low tier 5.56 ammo. But anything more than that, it's not gonna. The armor, anything 4 and up, is gonna be decent. 3 rounds left, 4 rounds, 1 in the chamber. So I mean, that armor is really good, but any of these helmets is just, you might as well not even wear them. I don't know what it's protecting you against. Maybe low tier 9mm, low tier 45 maybe, but even people typically run AP with those. So a little bit of information on this, kind of put things into perspective. I hate when I'm getting randomly domed by players and it just seems like a normal M4, but they're using 995s, but I'm wearing the level 4 helmet, which is basically doing nothing. Like I said, even when you shoot them in the side. So something to think about. Just a little info for you guys.